Today we're showing you a 2004 New Holland TC30 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a New Holland 7308 quick attach front end loader. Tractor has just over 1,700 hours on it. Engine is pre-emission, as none of the Tier 4 emissions on it. Is rated at 30 horsepower, and again just over 1,700 hours. The tractor is one of our budget-friendly tractors. It is selling as is, where is. There are no known mechanical issues with the tractor. However, if you would like to come in and check the tractor out for yourself, certainly feel free to do so. The hood's got some dings in it. It's not perfect, but also is not bad. It's very much presentable. Bucket is in nice shape. It's got turf tires up front here, and then the backs are the R4 tires. See, the current hours are looks like 17.9. Got the the top link and the clevis style drawbar, 540 PTO, 3-point hitch is there. Got some dings and dents back here as well. It's not perfect cosmetically. It's very much presentable, but certainly not perfect. Has the gear transmission, so you've got 3 ranges in this lever right here, and then you have 1, 2, 3 in reverse up here on the dash. Nice clean little tractor. Again, one of our budget-friendly tractors. If you have questions regarding the tractor, certainly feel free to call us or contact us at maskedtractor.com.